so many green clothes and pink. I was the first one to wake up today, so opening the curtains before I go for a short walk. Just a girl in her fitness era. I'm running some errands with my mom. We're going to Avondale and then we're gonna pass through Mount Pleasant. I think she wants to pick up something there, probably like Arndor Village, or I don't know where she wants to go, but I'm just tagging along. This place looks so different. Nando's yakachinja. Like they changed something looks different. What did they change? No, there's something they changed. It never used to look like this. Another Nando's food in the same location.
Another food court just by the label just through them.
Oh, there's now an Edgar's here food. Interesting. When watch you think out Edgar's?
Oh, this one closed.
There used to be something here. Was it TM?
Food Lovers.
Oh, Food Lovers.
I actually mentioned I was gonna buy some lemons in Food Lovers.
So I haven't been here in a long time. What up in the Mubon Marche? Edgar's, this used to be a bank, right?
Yeah.
Chartered Bank. Chartered. Flea market in Chirigo. While my mom was running her errand, I walked through the flea market and it was such an interesting experience. My mom, my sister, and myself, we used to come here a lot when we were younger and I would want to buy everything. But as I was walking through now, I didn't even find anything exciting. I guess I've grown up and the place has also changed. I was curious to see what Edgar's sells, and I was pretty impressed. They had beautiful pieces, and then my mom and I went to Econet. So when we got here, I reminded my mom that the Econet data plan that I purchased is not working properly. Like, it's so bad. It's only working for WhatsApp and like you can barely load a website, let alone upload a YouTube video. The other day I was trying to upload a video and I started uploading the video at like 9 a.m. In my mind, I was like, okay, this upload speed is probably slow, so it's gonna take me a few hours and by lunch it'll be done. 5 p.m. it was still on 13%. Like, I've called Econet probably 4 times at this point and sorry to say, but their customer service is so bad. If I call the customer service line and I speak to one person and their service is bad, I'm like, okay, this is like a one-off thing. That person is just having a bad day. But if I call on different days and speak to 4 people, and all 4 people are just not able to assist and their service is trash, there's a problem. So if anybody from Ikonet comes across this and they watch this, you guys need to overhaul your entire customer service because it's just not working. Anyway, I ended up walking into the shop and the lady was actually very helpful. I purchased I think it's called the Smart Biz or Smart Light, but anyways, the business line for 200 GB, $70 US. It says on their website it's suitable for remote work and small offices. And she told me that there was something on the back end, so she escalated it to the back office. Meanwhile, I called customer service and they were just telling me a whole lot of different stories. Somebody was like, oh, it's because the device you're using is old. I'm like, what do you mean the device I'm using is old? The other person was telling me, oh, it's because it's address locked, so you can't use it outside of your address. I'm like, ma'am, I'm at home. It was just like a lot of different stories. So I'm waiting to see if it gets resolved now that she says she's escalated it.
Vanilla milkshake.
This is the best milkshake ever. Like, no other brand can compare to Creamy In. It's just the best.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you sent your son to save. It's true. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity.
Back home and about to do the most annoying part of laundry, the part where you have to put it all away. Anyway, I don't iron my clothes till I need to wear them. It works for me. So go iron ka one and then wear some closet or drawer. I personally feel like it's not worth it because unogona uzoda ku iron futi wako pfeka. But I also get that my kids are not gonna kuenda the day you wanna wear the item. So yeah, there's that. My mom grows amaranth, guys, in Shona non Mowa. It's an indigenous leafy green that's commonly called African spinach. It has so many health benefits. It's rich in protein, iron, and it tastes delicious. If you're interested, I'm going to link her details in the description box. She sells it at a very affordable price. My mom decided to make the moa for dinner with salsa and fish stew, and I was like, I need to learn. I've tried to make fish stew probably 2 or 3 times, and it wasn't that great. Also, keeping in mind that fish in Canada tastes nothing close to the amazing fish we have in Zim. But anyway, I want to learn how my mom does it, so she's gonna give me a tutorial. Matindo check how to check out my veggie, right? Yakawanda.
Cook well. Yeah. What I'm gonna fry mathematics. So we mix to make sure everything is covered with the spices, tomatoes, and the onions. And then we try and make sure the heads are at the bottom.
Why? Because they cook.
They take longer to cook. So I want the heads at the bottom and the smaller pieces at the top, like the tail and the middle parts. These ones can nicely settle on top. Cover our pot and then just let it simmer a little bit. Then we'll add a bit of water and lower the heat.
That's it?
Yeah.
Now do you know it's cooked?
We'll keep checking. And also the color will change. You can actually see this is not yet cooked.
But how do you make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom?
I'll be shaking the pot occasionally. Sometimes I put macaroni at the bottom or vegetables, whichever vegetables I want to mix with.
Okay.
Or any type of pasta. For the moa, you put whichever spices you like. Depends with your personal preference. I like this. So put a bit of that. And coriander.
You like coriander?
I love coriander. I can't cook without it. And let's see. Let's put a bit of chicken. Chicken tikka masala. A bit of marjoram. Bit of paprika. I'm just putting hot since my stuff is already hot. Put it on the sides. Probably a different spoon up. Cover it.